हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टेक इट कुक। आज हम विस्कोसिटी एंड सरफेस टेंशन चैप्टर की फार्मूला की डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है। दिस चैप्टर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द सिलेबस ऑफ सीएस एंड नेट और गेट। दिस वीडियो इज फॉर दो स्टूडेंट हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर आईआईटी जैम और नीट। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करें। पहला जो फार्मूला है एफ भी इज इक्वल टू माइनस ईटा ए इंटू डी बी बाई डी एक्स। ओके, what is FV? We all know that liquid or various liquid flow in various speed. Okay, why? Due to some internal friction. This internal friction can be measured in terms of a transitional force which is denoted as FV. Okay, FV, it depends upon two factors. One is area of contact of liquid, that is A, it is directly proportional, and second is velocity gradient, that is dv by dx. Okay, that means fv proportional to a into dv dx, and eta is the constant known as viscosity coefficient. Okay, then next formula eta is equal to pi r to the power 4 p into t by 8 vl. This is known as Poiseuille equation. Here r is the radius of capillary tube, p is the pressure, v is the volume of liquid, and L is the length of capillary tube. Okay, and Reynolds number Rn is equal to d rho v by eta. Next, eta w by eta L is equal to rho w into tw by rho t into lt. Okay, sorry, tl. This formula is used for determination of viscosity coefficient of a unknown liquid. This method is known as Oswald viscometry method. Then next formula जो होता है eta is equal to 2 by 9 r square by v rho minus rho l into g. Okay, then eta is equal to a into e to the power a by rt. This is the relation between viscosity coefficient and temperature. At two different temperature, we can write ln eta 1 by eta 2 is equal to E a by r into T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. Okay. Now specific viscosity eta Sp is equal to eta minus eta naught by eta naught. Okay. And reduces viscosity eta reduce is equal to eta Sp by C. Eta Sp means specific viscosity. Okay. And intrinsic viscosity eta is equal to limit C tends to 0 eta specific viscosity by C. Then comes to surface energy. Surface energy is equal to amount of work done divided by amount of area extended, that is W by delta A. Okay. Now surface tension, measurement of surface tension can be done by capillary rise method, and this formula comes from there. Okay. Hence surface tension is equal to 1 by 2 HR rho G. Rho is the density of liquid, R is the radius of capillary, and H is the height at to which liquid rise. Okay. Now excess pressure for water bubble del P is equal to 2 gamma by R. Here gamma is the surface tension and R is the radius of water bubble. And for soap bubble, excess pressure del P is equal to 4 gamma by R. Okay. Here also gamma is surface tension and R is the radius of soap bubble. Now surface tension measurement by drop number method. In this method, we get the equation St, that is surface tension, is equal to mg by twice by r. That is, it surface tension is proportional to m. We can write St of W by St of L is equal to mw by ml. Here St of W means surface tension of water and mw is mass of water, but St of L is surface tension of unknown liquid. Okay. Again we know mw is equal to v by nw into rho w, and ml is equal to v by nl into rho l. Okay, then if we put this value of mw and ml in this equation, then we get stw by stl is equal to rho w into nl by rho l into nw. Okay, now comes to Ito-Vas equation. Scientist Ito-Vas explained the relation between the surface tension and temperature. He told that surface tension proportionally directly proportional to the temperature. Okay, and he gave a equation that mv to the power 2 by 3 into gamma is equal to k into Tc minus T. Yet k is constant, gamma is surface tension, and Tc is the critical temperature, and T is the normal temperature. Okay, and vapor pressure of curved surface, it is expressed as ln P by P0 is equal to 2 into gamma into m by RT into R smaller into rho. Okay, that's all from the viscosity and surface tension. All the formula are covered in this video. If this video is helpful for you, then like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.